Was that a frustrating afternoon? Playing against 10 men for an hour and then only getting a goal in the last 10 minutes to secure a point?
Yeah, frustrating. Obviously, really disappointed with the performance, and it's not something we've been able to say very often this season, but we just didn't start the game well at all. I thought we were really poor first half, and when you play a team like NFA who've only lost 2 this season, they've took points off good teams already. You know what type of day it's going to be, and obviously when they went down to 10 men, they just took in and made sure they got a result. But when it was 11v11, they've missed a penalty. They were 1-0 up. They could have won the game today. So the only positive is at least we got a point out of the game in the end.
That's the point. That keeps it on top. Many chances in front of goal, but not hitting the target compared to last week at Connah's-Quay.
Yeah, it's difficult because obviously the NFA's game plan was very different to Connah's-Quay's. NFA had a lot of bodies in the area just throwing themselves in front of things, and there's a couple of times the ball broke and we kind of snatched at it, and we've had a goal disallowed, which I don't really understand from what I've seen, but I'll watch it back. And obviously Kai's got an equaliser for us, but it was just one of them days. Last week you can score 7 and everything goes in for you. Today we've just scored 1 and missed a load of chances second half. But I do think, being honest, it would have been unfair on NFA if we'd have won the game today, because they were by far the better team first half, and it was 11v11. And obviously, like I say, they missed the penalty, and we just weren't good enough first half. So second half, we've done what we've done. At least we've got a point out of it.
We've got a point, but no points next time we play Port Talbot in the Welsh Cup. What's your opinion on that game?
Well, yeah, obviously a couple of week break now, which we've had a couple of times this season, and it's benefited us at different times when we've had the break. So we'll make the most use of that and try and get some players back. But yeah, looking forward to the tie. Obviously, a team that I don't, Porthmadog haven't played very often, if at all. So something to look forward to. And
a nice feature at the end of the game, Josh Banks coming back and having a game time with Port as well.
Obviously it's been a long time coming for him. He's been training for over a month now to try and get his fitness back up, and obviously joining in warm-ups and stuff. But I thought he'd done really well when he came on as well. It didn't look like he'd been away.
He wasn't far off scoring to win the game as well.
That would be brilliant, obviously.
That's a point, so we move on. Diolch yn fawr, Chris.
Diolch, Phil.